Hey guys, it's me, ToastedDog2003 here, and today we're going to be opening 2 Fates Collide Pokemon packs and 1 Breakpoint Pokemon pack.
Hold that behind your hand just so we can see. Don't cover up what they are. Okay, and they all have golds on the front.
Well, except that one's just normal, but it looks like it's a gold.
Okay, so that one's a normal one.
So we're going to start off with the Golden Lugia Fates Collide pack.
You do the honours.
Wait. Pass it. Here, I'll hold this. You can open it if you want. Okay, so that's my code.
He's just got a code.
So we got Breedham, Minccino,
Minccino, the first one.
Don't hold it so far away. There you go.
Quite a swag card.
Then we got Spoink.
Spoink. Okay. Another good card.
What is it?
Coughing.
Tell me if there's one you can't read and I'll read it for you.
Cottony. I'm not good at Pokemon names. Larvitar.
Yep.
Meowth. And that one's a shiny one. Wow.
Shiny Meowth. Woo!
Okay, this is a Bronzong.
Bronzong.
Okay, I said it wrong. That's a Trainer Fairy Drop and it looks pretty cool. In my opinion, this looks like something I would put on my wall.
We got the evolved form of Coughing. There's them two together. We got Wheezing. And last but not least, we've got Power Memory trainer card.
Okay.
That was the Gold Lugia pack.
Okay.
So next,
if you want to see us play with Silly String, watch the next video.
So
that was a secret hint.
So next we have an Alakazam Fates Collide pack.
It's not gold.
No, this is just an Alakazam.
He just likes Alakazams.
Let me just put the code card down. So first.
Okay, so we have Vullaby, which is a nice little birdie.
So next we have
Whisper.
Yeah.
We have Fennekin. Thomas just whispered it to me. Oh, it's double.
No, it's not. It's a different card. It is, yeah. Look.
Oh, that one's a...
Both from the same set, though.
Okay, so these are the two different thingies.
We'll show you.
Minisakai. Okay, I don't know. Gothia. I like that card. Shiny Grumpig. Oh.
And here is the evolved form of our old card we got in the last pack, Spoink. Now we have...
Oh, that's a cool card.
Wait, yeah, Omastar.
Omastar.
You'll like this card.
We got Trainer Ordino Spirit Link.
You'll like this card.
Okay. We've got a Wigglypuff. Wigglytuff, I mean. And
Helix Fossil Omnilite.
Helix Fossil Omnilite trainer card. And last pack.
Shiny, no, not shiny. Gold Luxray. Breakpoint this time. Oh, that was a good card. That was a good opening. First, let's put this down.
Just put his code card down. He's got
Oh,
3.
this one's different.
He earned these by going on to... I think he's seen a good card. And his face isn't actually that red or spotty.
Excuse me, don't you point that camera at my face, girl? Okay, Livy.
I don't know.
Growlithe.
Growlithe.
Pancham.
Oh, that's cute. Pancham.
Petalil.
Petalil. That sounds like a weapon name.
We got 2 Scorpy.
Scorpy.
We got a shiny version.
Staryu.
Staryu.
Staryu. Sorry. And a shiny Staryu. Okay, I'm not sure.
We got a Manaphy EX, boys! Get on my level, Aaron!
Why are you so excited about that one card?
This is the best type of card in the game. So I'll take it. EXs are bae, mate. Unless you want to look at the art on the camera.
No. I'm done.
Boom.
And now it's a Tierno check trainer. Cloyster. And Quickertune.
So guys, now I'm going to show you all the good cards we got.
Why is my face not being picked up, by the way?
What do you mean it's not? Here it is.
No, can I see it?
Here I can.
I know, I've got an ugly face. Focus back on Thomas.
Why? I'm more exciting.
I know. We got some silly strings, silly strings. Time to squirt the camera. Just kidding. It's a little piece that came off.
Livy. Ready?
Gotcha.
So we got shiny Meowth. No. We got shiny Meowth.
Wow. These are the good cards we got.
We got shiny Staryu.
Shiny Staryu.
Stop putting it so close.
No, if I put it close and you put another one in front. Now take this one away and go.
Shiny
got-
Grumpig.
Shiny Grumpig. Wow.
This is the best one. So this is the best one.
Now time for the best one, the big reveal.
A Manaphy EX. Man, you wanna see my card? You crazy! What? What? Kurikatun.
I got you with the silly string life block. Just make this a meme.